In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Chatgpt. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, these steps will guide you through the login process smoothly and efficiently. Before we begin, make sure you have your login credentials ready, as well as access to any two-factor authentication methods you may have set up. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can choose any browser you are comfortable with, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. Just make sure it's up to date for the best performance and security. Next, navigate to the Chatgpt website. You can do this by typing the website address into the addressee bar at the top of your browser and hitting enter. This will bring you to the homepage, where you will find plenty of resources and options. Once you're on the Chatgpt homepage, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You will see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click this. This will direct you to the login page, where you can access your personal Chatgpt account. Now choose your preferred method for logging in. Chatgpt may offer several methods, such as logging in with your email, a connected Google account, or perhaps another service. Select the one that works best for you. After selecting your method, enter your username and password in the provided fields. Make sure to double-check your entries to avoid any login errors. Remember, your password is case-sensitive, so enter it exactly as you've set it up. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, the next step will be to complete this process. This usually involves entering a code sent to your mobile device or email. Follow the instructions provided to ensure your account's security. Two-factor authentication is a great way to add an extra layer of protection to your account, so consider enabling it if you haven't yet done so. Once you've successfully completed all these steps, congratulations! You are now logged into your Chatgpt account. You can start chatting or exploring the features Chatgpt has to offer. From troubleshooting queries to exploring creative ideas, Chatgpt is now at your service. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, if you encounter any issues, refer back to these steps or reach out to Chatgpt support for further assistance. Enjoy your time using Chatgpt, and happy chatting!